my chickadees. Welcome back to the back 40. Okay, JuJu did something. I threw the gauntlet down at JoJo, at Joanne's Journal and More, and challenged her to make little houses, tags or envelopes or some ephemera with little houses. And she picked the gauntlet up and hit me over the head with it. Y'all need to go check her video out. She smashed that one out the park, y'all. Okay, this is what I did. I took me some junk mail envelope, turned it inside out, okay, folded the top down to the window piece to make the roof. Then I cut me out a little circle and put it there. Made the little window up top. Put me some little lace on for the overhang awning part. Made me some little windows and a door. You know, got to have a tree out here with a little house number. Well, then this can be put down as a pocket. And then it flips up and flips open and you have some journaling spot here. And then when you put it down on the page, this way, and this way, or, you know, you can do it this way and have a tuck spot. Or if you do it this way, then the pocket would be back here and you can slip your tag in on the pocket. And it have a cute little chimney tag sticking out where you could pull the little top of the chimney to be your tag. That would be cute too. But that is one. Then I needed some I can say that word, y'all. Why do I cut this video on and it's like my word finding skills and my pronunciation ability that I barely have go out the window? But anyway, I needed some Willy Wonka kind of stuff. So I made this one. And again, another junk mail envelope because, you know, it's just junk January. And I took it, made it. Put a little chimney on it this time because, you know, it need to be a little wonk-sided for some Willy Wonka stuff. Y'all, don't worry about my desk here. I've been having such a good time playing. It's cold outside and snow and icy and it's just, you know, snuggle up and craft and have a good time. Okay, so you flip this up and then here's a little secret hide pocket that goes down in here. But on this side here, let me move this one out of the way. It's a pocket and a pocket here. So you got two little pockets there. And then you can see through here, whatever you put in your pocket, you know, you can see through it there. But anyway, it's house number 19 on a block. And there's a little door, you know, kind of wonkus on the side there. But that's it. So y'all go over and y'all check her out because she knocked it out the park. Here's my tip. Y'all go check her out. And then I think I created Damon because she's done got another one. I'm going to have to see what I can do with that one. All right, bye. Y'all have a good week. See you next time.